And now sources also say that investigating agencies are suspecting that data from coaching institutes and mock tests was used to identify academically weak students. There is also a possibility that students from different economic backgrounds were exploited differently. Very shocking, viewers. This is shocking as a person even reports it. Now, Vikram Biswas is a NEET teacher. Vikram, nobody understands this better than you. I mean, most of us cannot even think of appearing for such a tough exam because academics in any which way is so difficult these days, and these honest children, like Suhan was saying, may have to reappear for this exam. What do you have to say on all of what's happened? And as a teacher, what is your opinion? Because people involved are also into academics.
Definitely, ma'am. This is very shameful for our country and for NTA. They cannot conduct properly or fairly the NEET exam. Every 2 3 year, we know there is a leak of question paper. और ये एवरी ईयर का है कि क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक हो रहा है और इतने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मेरे पास खुद भी काफी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो नीट की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, लेकिन इस लीक की वजह से उनका जो हार्ट है वो ब्रेक हो रहा है हर साल। लास्ट के 2 साल पहले भी नीट का जो पेपर है वो प्रॉपर तरीके से एनटीए कंडक्ट नहीं करा पाया। ऐसे बहुत स्टूडेंट हैं, जिनमें से एक स्टूडेंट के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं बताऊंगा कि उस बच्चे का 3rd ईयर ड्रॉप था एंड लास्ट ईयर उसके फादर एक्सपायर हो गए। लास्ट ईयर फादर एक्सपायर हुए और इस साल उस बच्चे के नंबर 652, 650 से भी ज्यादा, यानी उसका प्रॉपर सिलेक्शन था। बट ड्यू टू दिस लीकेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन पेपर उस बच्चे को दोबारा प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा। वो मेरे पास आई एंड क्राइंग एंड क्राइंग एंड क्राइंग कि सर मेरी तो किस्मत ही खराब है, बड़ी मुश्किल से आया मेरा नंबर, लेकिन इसके वजह से कुछ नहीं हो पाया। तो इसके ऊपर हमें थोड़ा सा सोचना चाहिए कि क्यों हो रहा है, गवर्नमेंट को देखना चाहिए कि ऐसा बार बार क्यों ऐसी दिक्कतें क्यों आ रही।
Ji,
Ma'am, I would like to raise one.
now according to Pune police sources, 10 lakh was transferred to Manisha Wagmare's account on the day of the NEET exam, while several students transferred 25,000 each. Shweta, what can you tell us on this?
Well, that's right. In fact, as per the CBI information, what we are given to understand is that this is how the modus operandi was actually working, where initially 25,000 was seen in the monetary transaction to Manisha Wagmare. Now, remember, she was the connecting bridge between both the parties, that is the professors and the students. And initially, we have seen that 25,000 was the amount treated as token. And also remember, when we speak about the guest paper, which was purchased by Shubham Khenar for 10 lakhs, it was sold to another person in Sikar for 15 lakhs. Similarly, there were like many students, those who were able to afford such guest paper, and it was also given for them between 7 lakh to 10 lakh. Clearly, it has been seen that how brazenly such monetary transactions were taking place, and people like Manisha Wagmare were as connecting bridge between both the parties. Having said that, we also see that senior faculty, senior professors like P.V. Kulkarni or Manisha Gurunath Mandare are emerging as the main culprits in this entire system loophole, and the failure, of course, is within the NTA, where the selective people, those who were in the panel, is coming out that they are the main culprit. With this, we have been also seeing the role of people like Manisha Wagmare and students, BMS student like Shubham Khenar, via whom, like, on Telegram, via whom all these papers where guest paper was being sold and purchased. So clearly we have been seeing that massive financial transactions also taking place there.